Hi guys, you might remember in one of my videos I showed that this is one of my grandson's Xbox controllers, and I don't know if you can hear it, but clearly that controller, or that whatever you call it, stick, has got something wrong with it. It's clicky as it goes across. And there's something in there that's broken. That one's fine. That one is broken. So I watched some videos. I've got one up on the screen at the moment, and I went online and ordered this repair kit. I think it was probably eBay that I ordered it from. One of the reasons I wanted it is it has the necessary Torx screwdrivers and the spudger thing for getting the lid off. So we'll have a little look. I'm not sure if I'll do the whole thing at the moment. It's sticky. But we'll see if we can get the cover off at least. So that's what that fella's for. And then we've got the two screwdrivers. So I thought it was handy just to get the kit anyway. So I'll just get the video running. And see where he starts. Oh, first thing he does is takes the battery out. I suppose that's the safest thing to do anyway. There is a screw hole under there, which obviously will void the warranty as soon as I do that. Where's he going? He's going under here. I was nearly there and it all clicked back in place. Did it again. He makes it look so easy on the video, but then I expect he's done it before. Come on. What's holding it? Got it. That was a lot of fuss. At least we can see where the clips are. And the dirt. Right, that's those two. He's already got it completely apart on the screen there. Let's stop him for a minute. So screw there, screw there, screw in the middle there, screw there, screw there. Just going to go back and see if there's anything else I missed. No, that's it. So, which screwdriver is it? That one. That one. Is there any way of lifting that label up without breaking it? I mean, the truth is, we're going to void the warranty whatever we do. You potentially could get the label up. I think we'll just go straight for it. There it is. Obviously, the video I'm watching is speeded up so we can get the whole video completed in a matter of minutes. I'll put a link in the video description to the video that I'm watching. Right, there we are. We've got the top off. Don't lose those screws. There's one sitting there. So we want to take that off and see if we can see what the problem is. I can see. Let's zoom in a bit. All right. I would say that we shouldn't be able to see that bit there. That should be inside. Bit of plastic in there. So that's what that problem probably is. Whether it's broken or we've just managed to push it out. But that's why we've bought the replacement bits. Now to get that out, we need to get the back off. Let's check the video again, see whether it just, oh, it is just lifting off. There we go. I was worried that there was more screws in there. Okay. The one we want to get to is that one, which means we're going to have to desolder there, 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 there. Yeah, now bits of hair in there. We can release that board by unscrewing that screw and that screw. I'm not sure if I want to. It might be convenient to have it held in place while I'm trying to desolder those bits. And I'm not going to let you watch me desolder it, just in case it all goes horribly wrong. So we'll stop filming for a minute. I'll have a think about whether I'm going to do that. The video that I'm watching, he doesn't actually need to do that. He just bends these green potentiometers back and replaces the little contact in there, the circular spring thing, because that's what's the problem with his controller, whereas clearly my problem is different. Yeah, we're going to have to desolder. That'll be fun. Just to show you what's in the bag, there's actually 4 of these. And those bits. So 4 of them. And some replacement whatever you call those bits. And a load of screws. But this is what we're going to try and desolder and replace. In there. Well, I have managed to desolder the broken switch, or whatever you want to call it, potentiometer. That was not easy. That's where it's come from. I ended up having to buy that, which is a hot air soldering iron, or whatever you want to call it. Hot air station. And that's the first time I've tried using one, and it wasn't easy. I'm not quite sure how easy it will be to get the new one on there, but we've made progress anyway. That's the replacement in place. That was hard work. I don't want to do another one of these, I can assure you. It's basically beyond my capabilities. Well, I had it all back together, then I turned it over and realised I hadn't put the knobs back on. Got to take it apart again. Typical. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.